Hello and welcome back everyone to SMJ-Tech channel, and today we'll be learning about how to draw a line in MS Word. So for example, you have a need to, draw a line in your document, or you have created a document that needs certain lines to be drawn from one way to the other. So let's see how we can do it. So we go over to the Insert tab, select the Shapes drop down, and over here you can see a lot of different types of lines that you can use. I select the simple one that takes one end to the other, and I just simply click on it and keep clicking and drag the other endpoint to the area where I want to draw the line to. And it will, as soon as I release the mouse button, it opens the formatting tab where I can format the line as per my required width and color. And second, if I want to draw it again, if I click it elsewhere, you see it goes back to the home tab again. So next time round, let me show you another tip that if you want to draw multiple lines in one go, instead of going back to the insert tab again and again, you can also do one more thing. Let's go over to the insert tab, select the shapes icon, and before selecting on the line, I go over the line and right click and select lock drawing mode. What it will do, it will basically lock the mode into a drawing mode, and I can easily keep drawing multiple lines at the same time. I click on one, release, then I click, and then I release again. You can see I'm not going over to the insert tab again and again because it has locked me into the line drawing mode. And once I'm done, I can simply press escape and I'm back to the home tab. So this is one way of drawing line, and a quick tip for drawing multiple lines on your document. Then you can select and you can format these lines as per your need. So this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please click on the like button and do subscribe to the channel for interesting videos and tips and tricks for different word related videos. Until our next video, please take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.